Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with a new algebraic problem. It is a seeing very interesting problem. So we can solve it. Let's go. 1 divided by 2 can be written as in one parenthesis divided by 2 divided by 1. So here we will apply KCF rule, keep it, change it, and flip it. Similarly, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. So 1 multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 2. Apply KCF rule. Keep it mean no change. Change it mean division is changed into multiplication. Flip it mean take its reciprocal. So 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 and 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, which is our answer. Thank you.